Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So today I am back with a new video, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys few healthy habits. Being specific, I'll share 10 different healthy habits that will help you grow physically and mentally. All of these habits are not something out of the world. They are very basic ones, very simple ones, but they will make a huge difference in your lifestyle. So if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So starting off with the very first healthy habit, and that is clean your bed, clean the space around you as soon as you wake up. As soon as we wake up, we just take our phone and keep scrolling through social media apps, which is not good at all. Instead, we should just clean the space around us, because it just clears your mental space and it will help you organize on what you want to do next. I hope you get my point. It's just that clean your surrounding, it will really affect your brain, because if you don't have a clean surrounding, it will just make you lazy and very low. Instead, if you keep a clean surrounding, it will definitely give you positive vibes. Moving on to the second healthy habit, and that is never procrastinate and plan your day. Procrastination makes you lazy and it will just affect your mental health. Instead, plan your day, write down whatever you want to do, because this will help you clear your thoughts and this will even make you be an organized person. I just want to tell you that whenever you wake up, write down your daily goals and be punctual to that. So you will be clear on how much time you want to spend on working and how much time you want to spend doing other activities. So I myself have been doing this thing like since past 1 to 1.5 years, and this has helped me a lot, because it just helps you be organized, and that is the whole point of this thing. Because being lazy will not make you a big person. Hard work and being punctual to what you want to do is what is important. So the next healthy habit is a very important one, and that is follow a proper sleep cycle. I'm not telling you to sleep at 10 and wake up at 4. I'm just telling you that even if you're sleeping at 12, then follow that and have a sufficient amount of sleep, which is 7 to 8 hours every single day. Because insufficient sleep can cause various health problems, skin problems, dark circles. It will make you feel tired, lazy, fatigue, and there are a lot other drawbacks. So instead, if you have a proper sufficient amount of sleep, it will make you feel energized, you will have a mental clearance, and you will feel fresh throughout the day, which is very important. So this will definitely have a positive impact on your lifestyle. So make sure you have a sufficient amount of sleep. Next healthy habit is a very important one, and that is get out and go on a 10 to 15 minutes walk. I know many of you may have already been doing yoga exercise, which is good. मेरे से ये सब नहीं होता, and if you're someone like me, then definitely walking is the best option, because it just helps you uplift your mood, and there are a lot of health benefits. Like it will help you burn your calories, it will make you feel fresh, and it will like boost up your energy overall, which is great. Because staying in the space where you are throughout the day, it will affect your mental health and it will make you feel stressful sometimes. So it's better that we leave that space, go on the terrace, go out for a walk, and it will help us boost our mood. Next healthy habit is not exactly a habit, but it is feeling gratitude towards whatever you have in your life. We have become so busy in our own world that we forget that what we have around us, which is not good at all. And in today's world, we don't know what is going to happen next. So it's better that we feel grateful and we show gratitude towards the persons we love, to the people around us, because of them we are today who we are. And I hope you like this makes sense. But all I'm trying to say is feel gratitude towards what you have in your life, because living a life of gratitude will definitely make a huge difference in your mind, and it will make you a positive person overall, and it will also help you develop yourself. So be grateful. So the next healthy habit is definitely my favorite one, and that is give some time to activities that you love doing, especially your hobbies. It may be anything: reading, writing, dancing, sketching, painting, doing makeup, cleaning, organizing. Do anything, just do it every single day, because this will uplift your mood in a very positive way. And we have become so busy on working, which is important, which is very good, but it just stucks your mind to a single place. Instead of that, following your hobby will open up your mind, it will increase your creative space, which is very important to uplift your mood and make you feel fresh. So definitely spend some time doing your hobbies and you will see a huge difference in your lifestyle. So the next healthy habit is very important one, and that is having sufficient amount of fluids throughout the day, especially water, because water plays a very important role in your healthy being. There are a lot of benefits that water gives to our body, like it helps in clearing your skin, no acne, no breakouts. It also normalizes your overall body function. It helps in improvising your gut function. It speeds up your metabolism. So it is very important to have at least 3 to 4 liters of water every single day, because it has a lot of benefits on your body. So the next healthy habit is not exactly a habit, but it is we should stop overthinking, and instead of that we should have a positive aspect. I'm not telling you to be happy in your sad situations, and you may have been always told that our life is all about ups and downs, and it is true, but it is up to us on how we take these situations and how we react towards it, because overthinking is going to affect your mental health. It will make you feel anxious, stressed, which is not the solution. Instead, if we have a positive aspect towards that things, it will definitely open up your mind, it will make you feel less stressed, and you will find solutions much faster than by overthinking. So stop overthinking, and I hope you get the overall point. Next healthy habit is related to the previous one, and that is we just keep on overthinking and piling up things in our mind, which is not good. So communication is an integral part of our life, and it is important to share what you are thinking, because there are a lot of thoughts that keep running in our mind, and it is important that we take them out of ourselves. If you're not okay with communicating with someone, write down, but this would be a second option that I would say. It is important that if you share it with someone, the other person will get your feeling, and the satisfaction you get after speaking out is more better than writing. So I hope you get the overall point, that is communicate, speak what you think, speak what you feel. So the next healthy habit is something which I have started doing since past 1 year, and it has definitely helped me especially, which is start saving, because saving is very important. You never know when you are going to use that money, but saving will definitely make you financially independent. I'm not telling you to save thousands of rupees every single day. I'm just telling you save, even if it's rupees 1, rupees 10, doesn't matter. वो बोलते हैं ना कि बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है. Just keep that thing in your mind, and stop spending money on unnecessary thing. Instead of that, keep saving. Save कर लो, बाद में कुछ भी करो उसका, but saving will make you feel that you have some money with yourself. It may be hard times, it may be good times, you never know when you will require it, but saving is very important. So that were all the points that I wanted to cover in today's video. I hope you found this, not all the points, but some of them very helpful. And if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.